What's up guys, Joey here, Tech, and Realme has a brand new bang for your buck smartphone here in the Philippines. It's the Realme 6i, which I guess is the direct successor to the Realme 5i from earlier this year, and in typical fashion, this is packing some really nice specs at a great price. So without any further ado, let's get this guy out of its box. Lifting up the lid, we first get the sub box containing the SIM ejector tool, manuals, and case as usual. Then below that we have the unit itself in this interesting green tea color. Below that we have the 18-watt fast charger and USB-C cable. Now checking out the phone itself, let's first talk about that back design. The green tea color is really cool looking with those vertical lines that really look better in person. This was designed by famed industrial designer Naoto Fukasawa, who is behind a lot of Muji products. Yeah, that Muji. Anyway, on the other side, up front we get a 6.5-inch display with an honestly low resolution of 1600 by 720. It uses a water drop notch to house the 16-megapixel front camera as well as the call speaker. Returning to the back, we get a quad camera setup consisting of a 48-megapixel main, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, 2-megapixel macro, and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Beside the camera module is the LED flash, and in the upper center of the back we have a capacitive fingerprint scanner. On the left side we have the volume controls as well as the card tray with 2 nano SIM slots and a dedicated micro SD slot. On the right side we get the power button. At the bottom, headphone jack, main microphone, USB Type-C port, and the loudspeaker. Our box didn't come with the included earphones as usual for that headphone jack, but hey, just get yourself some Realme buds. They ain't that bad. Powering the 6i is a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset with either 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 64 or 128 GB of internal storage. Checking out the battery situation, we get a huge 5000 mAh cell with support for 18-watt fast charging. It's not VOOC, but I'm sure it's still gonna be fast enough for most people. For software, the 6i is running Realme UI on top of Android 10 as expected. Now, the price for this guy is going to be announced next week, so stay tuned for updates. But Realme Philippines has indeed confirmed that the Realme 6i is priced under 10,000 pesos. This phone's looking promising as I think it's got the stuff to go head-to-head with other entry-level to mid-range phones on the market such as the newly launched Redmi Note 9S. I'm gonna be testing out over the weekend, so stay tuned for our full review next time. And that wraps it up for this video guys. Now what do you think about the Realme 6i? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and guys, here's my bottle. Stay hydrated. Important.